Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Online advertising and Google AdWords. Online advertising, also known as digital advertising, refers to the promotion of products or services using various digital channels on the internet. Google AdWords, now known as Google Ads, is a popular online advertising platform provided by Google. It allows businesses to create and manage their online advertising campaigns on Google's search engine and other Google partner websites. Here's an overview of online advertising and Google Ads. Online advertising. Types of online advertising. Online advertising encompasses various formats, including search engine advertising, display advertising, video advertising, social media advertising, native advertising, and more. Each format has its own unique characteristics and benefits. Targeting options. Online advertising offers advanced targeting capabilities to reach specific audiences. Advertisers can target based on demographics, location, interests, behavior, keywords, and more. This allows businesses to tailor their advertising messages to the right audience segments. Ad formats. Different ad formats are available in online advertising, including text-based ads, image ads, video ads, interactive ads, and rich media ads. Ad formats vary depending on the advertising platform and can be customized to suit specific marketing goals. Cost models. Online advertising offers various cost models, including pay-per-click (PPC), where advertisers pay when someone clicks on their ad, cost per impression (CPM), where advertisers pay for every 1,000 ad impressions, and cost per action (CPA), where advertisers pay when a specific action is taken, such as a purchase or form submission. Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords. Ad placements. Google Ads allows advertisers to display ads on Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, and across the Google Display Network, which includes a wide range of websites, mobile apps, and videos. Keyword targeting. With Google Ads, advertisers can bid on specific keywords relevant to their business. When users search for those keywords on Google, the advertiser's ads may appear in the search results. This helps businesses target users actively searching for products or services. Ad extensions. Google Ads offers various ad extensions that provide additional information or functionalities to ads. Ad extensions include site link extensions, call extensions, location extensions, review extensions, and more. These extensions enhance the visibility and relevance of ads. Ad targeting. Google Ads provides targeting options to reach the right audience, such as location targeting, demographic targeting, device targeting, and audience targeting. Advertisers can define their target audience based on specific criteria and tailor their campaigns accordingly. Ad performance tracking. Google Ads offers comprehensive reporting and analytics tools to track the performance of advertising campaigns. Advertisers can measure metrics like impressions, clicks, click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and return on investment (ROI). This data helps optimize campaigns and make informed decisions. Budget control. Google Ads allows advertisers to set a daily budget for their campaigns, ensuring they have control over their ad spend. Advertisers can adjust their budgets, bids, and targeting parameters based on campaign performance and objectives. Google Ads is a powerful platform for businesses to reach their target audience, drive website traffic, and generate conversions. It offers a range of targeting options, ad formats, and measurement tools to optimize advertising campaigns effectively. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.